Today I'll be installing this stubby antenna on the Can Am Spyder F3 model that I received from the Monster Garage. I'll put a link to all this stuff down below if you guys are interested in it. So here is the antenna adapters. And different rubber couplings. So here is the original antenna. And remove this rubber boot, and we just unscrew the original antenna. So we take the correct adapter, which is on this kit is the black one. Screw that into the holder on the bike. Once you get that post in there, I'm going to take the antenna and just tighten it by hand. Put this back in if you like. And there it is. The stubby antenna is installed. So the reason for installing this antenna is because I'm going to put a rear rack here on this bike. And it won't fit with the stock antenna. Not a bad look. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't use the rubber ring, or the rubber rings that come with it. Doesn't seem to fit well, and it doesn't allow me to hand tighten the antenna well. So just the antenna and the adapter for the antenna. That's all you really need. All right, you all take care. God bless. See you on the next one. Bye bye.